Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. I've got my Kubota BX2370 here, and came up to do a little bit of maintenance on it. And when I got done with the maintenance and went to start it, it would not start. The power would come on. I would get turn the key. I would kind of get what you see here, but it wouldn't crank. And I'm going to kind of tell you what I did. Of course, the first thing you want to do is check your battery. I got my jumper box out, pulled the battery out, and put that on, and was good with that. There was no issues there. There's a lot of little safety switches on these, and that ended up being my problem. And I had a pretty easy fix with it. I checked the PTO, got underneath here, and there's like a little tab on there to show when it's engaged and disengaged, that it's kind of like a safety switch where it will not engage. And I checked that, everything looked good there. So then I started looking at all the little safety switches that were in here, and I got lucky with the first two. There's this one here, which I believe is to the PTO. And then there's this one here that shows that you're sitting on the seat, so it will not start unless it's showing pressure. And I pulled them out, and I got me some electrical parts cleaner, and basically just sprayed in there really good and let it dry, put them back in, and it fired right up. So something you might consider if you're having the same problem, if you cannot get it to start, because this was frustrating. Right now I spend a lot of time out of town for work, so when I get home I don't have a lot of time to keep up with the yard, and so every 20 minutes is a huge difference for me. So I want to make sure this thing's working. So that's what I did. There's a few other safety switches around depending on your model. I think there's 5 altogether, but yeah, an easy way to do it is just start going through them one at a time. Get you some electric parts cleaner and just go through it. And hopefully that'll get you back up and running. It's Matt from McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, or sharing it with friends. It helps the channel grow, and it's much appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.